Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless module, solid-state drive, heatsink assembly, power button board, system board, and rear light modules. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the display panel, webcam, and wireless antenna cables for later replacement. Remove the display panel cable from the routing channel on the right speaker. Remove the webcam and wireless antenna cables from the routing channel and tape on the left speaker. Rotate the top cover away from the display panel assembly. While supporting the top cover, remove the 6 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the display panel assembly to the top cover. Remove the top cover. Replacement. Note: if you are installing a new top cover, remove the following from the old top cover and install onto the new top cover: touchpad board, right speaker, left speaker, right light module, left light module, power connector cable. Note: if you are installing a new display enclosure, remove the following from the old display enclosure and install onto the new display enclosure: touchscreen, webcam. Align the screw holes and alignment pins on the top cover with the display panel hinges. Important: ensure that the wireless antenna, webcam, and display panel cables are free from being pinched between the display panel assembly and top cover. Replace the 6 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the top cover to the display panel assembly. Close the top cover. Route the wireless antenna and webcam cables through the routing channel and tape on the left speaker. Route the display panel cable through the routing channel on the right speaker.